Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hi, myself Smita. I am from Chitradurga. I completed my graduation in GM Institute of Technology, Information Science and Engineering in 2020 passed out. Joined Qspiders in January. I started SQL by Sunil sir and Apti by Lavanya Kumar sir and Manual by Pradeep sir and Java by Shankar sir and I completed Selenium by Santosh sir. They teach very well and they trained also. They motivated us very well and thank you for them and thanks for HRs.
Hi, this is Rupa. I am from Shira. So currently staying in Bangalore. I have completed the BSc in the stream of Computer Science, Sri SMITHA College of Science Arts Commerce College, Tumkur. I am 2020 passed out, and I would like to thank all my Qspider trainers like Pradeep sir, Sunil sir, Lavanya Kumar sir, and Santosh sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity to gain the knowledge in for testing domain. And I would like thank to my presentation team members like Smita, Dayanand, and Kiran and Bharti. So thank you.